In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix Frigidaire ice maker making loud noise, fan ice jam, and leveling and maintenance. Fix 1. Identify the type of noise. Buzzing indicates a water valve issue. Grinding or rattling suggests a motor or fan problem. Clicking may be due to the ice being stuck or a water level issue. Loud banging can occur from dropping ice, which is sometimes marble. Fix 2. Check for ice blockage. You have to open the freezer and look inside the ice maker tray. Inspect the ice tray and ejector arms. Remove any stuck or fused ice, and you have to empty the ice bin completely. Fix 3. Check water supply. Ensure the water line is connected properly. For that, you have to turn on the water supply and check for noise or blockage in the line. A loud chattering noise from the valve indicates no water is connected. Fix 4. Clear the bin. For that, you have to turn off the ice maker first, then remove the ice bin and clean inside the ice maker with a warm or vinegar solution. Dry the entire thoroughly and reinstall the ice bin. Mineral deposit can cause loud grinding or buzzing sound. Fix for defrosting. High pitched wing or knocking noise may indicate the fan is hitting ice. Perform a manual defrost to resolve the issue. For that, first of all, you have to turn off the fridge before starting the defrost process. Then leave the freezer door open for 3 to 6 hours to allow ice to melt. Dry all the surface thoroughly after defrosting. Restart the fridge when it is completed. So doing all this step will help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.